say good morning? Ti'n barod I ganu? Bore da?
Are you ready? Hands ready?
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to you. Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Da iawn, diolch. O, da iawn pawb.
Well done, everybody.
Croeso I Hyfedd Lyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
Welcome to Cardiff Central Library Hub.
Dwi'n Sian, I'm Sian.
Dwi'n Anna, I'm Anna.
A heddiw, rydym am fynd i'r fferm I weld anifeiliaid. Ond, yn gyntaf, canwn ganueon I ddeffro.
Today, we're going to the farm. Yay! And we're going to see the animals. But first, we're going to sing some songs to wake up.
Good idea, Anna. I need to wake up this morning. Are you ready to do roly-poly?
Roly-poly.
Are you ready?
Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Roly-poly, roly-poly, round and round. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3.
Diane, can you do roly-poly up and down? Ready?
Roly-poly, roly-poly, up and down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up and down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up and down. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3.
Diane, very nice, Anna. Now, are you ready to try and dwylo?
Try and dwylo, try and dwylo, and try and try fel hyn. Curo and dwylo, curo and curo fel hyn. I like that one.
It's time to hide, Anna.
Oh, hiding with
Ready? Put your hands over your eyes. Dwylo dros fy llygad. Dwylo dros fy llygad. Dwylo dros fy llygad. Dwylo dros fy llygad ac yn y dweud. Diane! Now I've got my teddy for this one, Anna. We're going to sing Clapper, Clapper Handies. Are you ready? Clapper, clapper handies, teddies come to play.
Hello, Teddy.
Cover up your little eyes while he hides away. Where's Teddy?
Where is he?
Where's Teddy?
There he is.
Oh, he wants to play again, Anna.
Okay.
Okay. You ready? Clapper, clapper handies, teddies come to play. Cover up your little eyes while he hides away. Where's Teddy?
Where is he?
Where's Teddy? Oh, that was fun, Ted.
He's very good at hiding.
He is very good at hiding. He's going to sit there and watch us now. Now, canwn am ddafad. Shall we sing about a sheep?
Shall we sing a song about a sheep?
Can you think of a song about a sheep? I think I might know one, Anna.
Do you know one, Sian?
I think I might.
Who's this coming?
I think I know Baa Baa Black Sheep. Are you ready?
That one.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, said the master, thank you, said the dame, thank you, said the little boy who lives down the lane. Oh, an old favourite there, Anna. I like that one.
I haven't heard that for a while.
Now what I'm gan newydd am asyn. Now a new song about a donkey. Oh, I'm excited about this one, Anna. I really like it.
I know you like
You're
this.
going to have the
Sian
donkey.
likes this one a
This
lot.
is my favourite one. Are you ready? So we'll go nice and slow so you can all learn it at home. Ready? Pori mae'r asyn ar y bwrdd o fras. Wedi pori digon, mae'n gweiddi'n gas. Iawn, Ia, 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 ia. Pori mae y dafad ar y bwrdd o fras. Wedi pori digon, mae'n gweiddi'n ras. Me, 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 me. Oh, Hybrid! I like that one.
Well done.
But no, it's time for everybody's favourite farm song.
Oh, are we going, is it Old Macdonald, everybody?
Are you ready? I've actually got an Old Macdonald today. Here he is. Here's Old Mac. Are you ready? We're going to go Old Macdonald in. Here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Dewch am dro i fferm Tadci, E-I-E-I-O. Ac ar y ffarm mae'n mochyn pink, E-I-E-I-O. Gyda soch fan hyn a soch fan draw, soch, 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 soch a bob llaw. Dewch am dro i fferm Tadci, E-I-E-I-O. Da iawn, now we're looking for a sheep, Anna.
Oh.
Where's a sheep? We've lost all the sheep. We need a little Bo Peep. Are you ready?
I do.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a Baa Baa here and a Baa Baa there. Baa Baa, Baa Baa, everywhere a Baa Baa. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Dewch am dro i fferm Tadci, E-I-E-I-O. Ac ar y fferm mae dafad wen, E-I-E-I-O. Gyda mefan hyn, gyda mefan draw, me, 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 lai bob llaw. Dewch am dro i'r fferm Tadci, E-I-E-I-O. Hey, well done, good job everybody. It's a long one, that one, isn't it? But you did very well.
Let's get you going now.
Lan, un anifeil sydd wastad ar y fferm yn cwia. One animal you'll always see on the farm is a chicken.
A little chicken.
Alwch flapio eich Dennis. Can you flap your wings? Shall we see?
Ready.
Are you ready for chicken? Here he is, Anna.
Oh, we like this one.
Oh, are you ready? Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Chick, 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 chicken, I want one for my tea. I haven't had an egg since breakfast, and now it's 3:30. So, chicka, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Oh, should we do that one again? I love it. Unwaith eto. Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Chick, 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 chicken, I want one for my tea. I haven't had an egg since breakfast, and now it's 3:30. So, chicka, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Lay a little egg for, lay a little egg for me. Boom! Yay! Da iawn, pawb. I like that one. That's a great one. Now, awn ni am ride ar y tractor.
Oh, da iawn.
Shall we go for a ride on the tractor? Yeah, are you ready?
ready?
Get ready in your tractor, turn it on. Boom. Here we go. Off we go. Fwrdd â mi am tractor glass. Fwrdd â mi am tractor glass. Fwrdd â mi am tractor glass. Brum, brum, brum. Pa clue nesa? Which colour next, Anna?
Coch.
A red tractor. Ready? Fwrdd â mi am tractor coch. Fwrdd â mi am tractor coch. Fwrdd â mi am tractor coch. Brum, brum, brum. Oh, da iawn.
Oh, no.
Pa lliw nesa? Pa lliw nesa?
Tractor.
Tractor pink. Oh, tractor pink. Yeah, ti'n barod? Fwrdd â mi am tractor pink. Fwrdd â mi am tractor pink. For the me and tractor pig. Brum, brum, brum. Off we go. We need to sow those seeds, Anna. Well done, everyone. That was great. But now,
oh, who's coming now?
Amser Rhigwm, pwy sy'n cuddio yn y cae? It's time to see who's hiding in the field. Who might be hiding in the field? Baa Baa Scarecrow!
Mr. Scarecrow!
Are you ready to go to sleep?
Ready, everybody.
When all the cows are sleeping and the sun had gone to bed, up jumped the scarecrow and this is what he said. I'm a dingle dangle scarecrow with a flippy floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that. When all the hens were roosting and the moon behind a cloud, up jumped the scarecrow and shouted very loud. I'm a dingle dangle scarecrow with a flippy floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that. Yeah. Good job, everyone.
I love that one.
Now, ganueon canu hen gan am gwn. Now it's time to sing an old song
I like this one.
about two little dogs.
Dive.
What noise does a dog make?
One little dog.
Woof.
Who's
And another
this
little
coming?
dog. Two little dogs.
Doggy
Ti'n
bark.
barod? Dau bach. That's a big dog. Dau bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd a bob troed. Dau bach yn dywod adre wedi coli un esgidiau. Dau bach. Unwaith eto.
Unwaith eto.
Dau bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd a bob troed. Dau bach yn dywod adre wedi coli un esgidiau. Dau bach. Oh, da iawn. Dau bach. Good job, everybody. Now, dwi'n teimlo'n mor hapus. I'm feeling so happy. Rwy'n barod I weiddi hip hip hooray. I'm ready to shout hip hip hooray.
Let's
Ydych am a minute? Are you going to join in?
Are we ready to clap, everybody?
Clap, clap, hip hooray. Clap, clap, hip hooray. Clap, clap, hip hooray. Hip 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 hooray. How about dancing? Dance show? Dance show, hip hooray! Dance show, hip hooray! Dance show, hip hooray! Hip 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 hooray! Oh, lovely job, everybody.
Why is it wait now?
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! Good job! Oh, my voice is going a little bit. I think it's time to slow down. Achos dwi'n teimlo tipyn bach wedi blino.
Oh.
Yeah, a little bit tired.
I know the song for you, Sian, if you're feeling...
I'm not tired, I just... Oh. Pagan, Nana, which
Yes.
song? Which song should we sing?
Starts off... Heno, Borida... No, Heno.
Heno, Heno. Are you ready? Heno, Heno, hen blant bach. Heno, Heno, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Da iawn, everyone. Are you asleep? Oh, I can see some people asleep, I think.
Oh, yes. one or two, definitely.
Well, you need to wake up because it's time to say goodbye.
From Fawr iawn.
Are
Thank you
you
very much. Everybody
ready?
ready to say goodbye?
Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl. Dwrnod bantani, 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 dwrnod bantani, mae'n amser dweud hwyl. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye everybody, goodbye to you.